Twinkle to your left. Hi. Okay, Radhika obviously is playing a great role. We are seeing that in the trailer. But कभी आपने सोचा कि आप play करें अक्षय के साथ on screen और acting में come back करें?
मेला दिलों का. Remember? So yeah, I'm better off.
अक्षय आप चाहते थे?
Not many people understood that.
Yeah. So I think I'm better off on behind the camera.
Okay, Radhika.
Twinkle ma'am, my next question is to you. It's a pleasure seeing you on stage after a long time. What I wanted to ask you is that you earlier said that Akshay wasn't the first choice in your mind for this role. So while conceptualizing this, whom did you think of? Usually an image comes to your mind. Did you think of anyone?
Are you trying to make trouble in my marriage now?
No, not at all.
No, sorry. That is just...
But you already said this now. There's already trouble.
Just for the film.
And all that is my right choice. I'm not...
Just for the film, did you think of anybody initially?
No, I did think of a few people. But again, the thing is that if, if we have somebody who the Indian public idolizes and men look up to, and he holds a sanitary pad, then it's completely a game-changing event. So I think Akshay, and after seeing the movie and what Balki has made Akshay do, of course Akshay is very talented himself, but Balki's brought out the best in him, I have to say.
Covering every front right now, so it's fine, cool.
But I have to say that I don't think anybody else could have played this as wonderfully as, Mr. K here.
Twinkle में मैंने किताब तो पढ़ी है और अक्षय सर का जैसे आपने जिक्र किया कि बाल्की सर ने सजेस्ट किया, बाल्की सर कैसे जहन में आए कि इस फिल्म को वो ही डायरेक्ट करेंगे?
तो तुम्हारे पास कोई आइडिया तू बता दे.
नहीं सर, मैं जानना चाह रहा था क्योंकि ये सवाल
पूछ रहा है तो तू ही बता दे यार कोई और है. मेरे हिसाब से तो यही थे.
नहीं, ट्विंकल मैम से ये सवाल था कि मैम.
So once, I came across Muruganathan's story and I wrote that, and when we decided that in order to reach across borders, across states, across religions, there are only two things that work in this country. One is cricket and the other cinema. Now cricketers have their own pads and they're very busy with that. So we needed cinema, and there was only one name that actually came to mind. There were no other contenders. There was just him. And I've seen a lot of his films, and I feel that, he's a sensitive filmmaker. He understands women, I think partly because of his wonderful wife, Gauri, who I admire, and I think she's a very good influence on him.
Very quiet.
And I really didn't think there was, anybody else apt for this aside from Balki.
Honestly, was it your first choice when you were thinking about this story?
No.
No.
No, actually, Balki convinced me that Akshay should play this part.
And how do you feel? आपको कैसे लगता है कि हर बार ये कुछ statement बनाती है and it becomes international news, like being on BBC and talking about this very topic,
Imagine what happens at home. मैं घिरा हुआ रहता हूँ ये statement से. So, but every day is a great day, and every day I get to hear so many new things. I get to learn so many things because she reads a lot and she knows a lot. It's so much fun, I must tell you, when we have to go to meet a doctor. And the doctor is talking, and she takes over the doctor, and she starts telling the doctor, listen, she uses these kind of words. Even the doctor goes, I have seen the doctor getting scared when she talks. Nahi, bas, Akshay, akele aa jana, biwi ko chhod dena. So it becomes a very scary thing for a doctor also.
And the pink panties, वो कैसे लगा आपको?
Well, कैसे लगा? वो आप फिल्म देख लेना कैसा लगा.
Well, I have to say that to depict this character, you needed somebody extremely convincing in that role. And seriously, from the time she's entered cinema, she's been redefining what she can do. And Radhika Apte, that way is, like I keep saying, you're so apt, apt hai. Whether it's Badlapur, whether it's Phobia, and of course, being with Rajini sir in a film, let's have her on stage. Because thank you, Radhika, for making Indian and Indianness look good while you're being so hot and stunning in every film. By the way, Hunter is also my favorite. Very good to see you. Thank you. And there are very few people who make us laugh through films in every scene. And Chini Kam did that for me, very rare film. And of course, Pa, he makes the women in the films look good, just as good as the heroes do. Thank you, Mr. Balki, for being such a classy director. Please come up on stage. And I thank you for making